If you're wondering why Pete looks like that, you've come to the right video. Because in today's video, we show you why you should join the Filmmakers Club Watermelon Squad.
The Filmmakers Club.
Watermelon Squad.
We agreed the Filmmakers Club.
Watermelon Squad.
Filmmakers Club.
Well, you call it what you want. I'll give you access to the Patreon backend, but I'm gonna...
No, we agreed if we were going to do Patreon, it was going to be called the Filmmakers Club.
Yeah, it is.
Join the Filmmakers Club,
Squad.
where we give you access to us and we have access to you in a way that we can...
That's a bit like touchy, isn't it?
No, that's not touchy.
Well, you're doing the hands.
We're going to have like this Filmmakers Club.
Yes.
You have access to us and we have access to you in a way that we can converse, but without touching.
Yeah, over the internet.
Yeah, with no touching. And it's just a way that we can share stuff. You might have seen the tutorials, you might have, oh, I really like that how-to video. That's great, because I'm stuck on Premiere Pro. Reach out to us, be part of this club. It's a little community of filmmakers. That's it. That's the whole idea of it.
So we're there to hold your hand without touching you through the process of making films.
Yeah.
And if you don't make films, then there's still a reason to join.
You might just want to go, oh, do you know what? I like those guys and what they're all about. I want to hop on their live because it's a good laugh.
Live chat, Watermelon Squad Live.
Filmmakers Club.
Yeah,
Live.
that too. You may want to look like Pete, and that's a compelling reason to join any club. Courtesy of Andy Green at Spaceman Studios.
We'll probably do a Filmmakers Club version. We'll do a Filmmakers Club t-shirt at some point.
If you do make films, another compelling reason to join. The Article 13 library.
Why are you calling it the Article 13 music library?
Because of Article 13 copyright. That everyone out there who's like a new filmmaker is like, oh, I can't use this music, Article 13. Now you can, because we've got a library of our own music that we're going to let you use for anything. As long as you're part of the Watermelon Squad.
What if they're making loads of money out of their video?
That's cool.
Alright, yeah, so we're just giving stuff away now.
Yeah.
Not only do you get access to us, but we get access to you where we don't touch each other. You get free music as well.
Free music.
So there's loads going on here.
Yeah.
Apparently one day we're going to have mugs and stickers and all sorts. So if you get in now, well, it's early, maybe you'll be a winner.
In the future, there'll be things like exclusive LUTs for filmmakers, maybe transition packs or presets for Premiere Pro.
That's good.
There'll be sound effects as well.
I'm counting your fingers with them, yeah?
Yeah.
What else? We're giving everything away.
A picture of my fifth finger.
They can take that.
Yeah, you can have that, and we'll watermark it or something. We'll sign it.
Yeah.
Basically, there's going to be loads of stuff to either entertain you, educate you, help you make films, or just generally laugh at Pete.
That's our Monday video. You might say, wow, that was a really cheap version of a Monday video, shot on a single cam.
It's an expensive camera.
It's an expensive camera. So before you start moaning,
Yeah.
get your facts straight.
Yeah, there you go.
Bank holiday,
Yeah.
we're off, we're not even here.
No, we don't even care about
Not
it.
even here. We're enjoying the bank holiday.
And you should be. Why are you still watching this?
Watch time's good. Keep
It's
them there.
Easter Monday. Go and eat chocolate or something.
Yeah. And we'll see you on Wednesday.
Yeah. But if you didn't watch this on Monday, then it's even weirder, isn't it? So
Yeah. So if this is another day and not Monday,
Yeah.
shame on you. Why weren't you part of the notification squad? I don't want you in our Filmmakers Club anymore.
We do want them.
Okay.
It's just less aggressive, you know?
Yeah, I know you're right. You're right.
You're a tall
It's-
guy,
it's
he comes across aggressive.
The clothing, I just feel
Red.
infuriated. Are we going to do the Filmmakers Club version of these then? Like, are we going to do a cap as well? Filmmakers Club t-shirt?
Yeah, they're coming. Yeah. We're going to get them soon. Just, just in the future.
So if you join up to the Filmmakers Club on Patreon, we're going to be... There won't be like this. There'll be like Filmmakers Club
Watermelon
t-shirts and Filmmakers
Watermelon
Club
Squad.
base school caps as well.
Watermelon Squad.
So and there's loads of merch.
Watermelon
We're planning
Squad.
on doing the Filmmakers Club
Watermelon Squad.
stickers
Watermelon Squad.
and the Filmmakers Club
Watermelon
mugs.
Squad.
So there's loads of stuff.
Watermelon Squad.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Wednesday. That was our quick and easy Monday video. Join Patreon. That's the name of it. That's all there is to it. We're done. They're watching. Bank holiday. Woohoo! No, bunnies don't lay eggs.